Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Alright, before we explain the results of our discussion, allow us to introduce ourselves first. Alright, my name is Muhammad Samuktar with the name double two o four double two and double six. And I consist of five group members, namely the first is Novi Triati with the name double two o four double two 76. Uh, the second is Ridani Iksan with the name double two o four double two nine six. The third is Alisa Safitri with the name double two o four two double o and five. And the last is Siska with the name double two o four two o six and one. Let's go straight into our discussion of public advocacy techniques. The first material will be delivered by Nofitriti. All right, to Nofitriti, the time is yours.
All right, thank you to moderator. The first materi in the process making public policy, but introduction in the process of making policy, policy, public participation is very necessary and become something main starting from the policy. For formulation stage, policy in implementation. The policy evaluation, likewise in eh, advocacy activity, advocacy in self refers to definition with each different explanation. The first is as a job or profession of an advocate, and the second is as an act of defense to support a particular goal in the process of advocacy and defense people of community group who feel disadvantaged by the policy issued by the government will try to ask for help from group of people who are considered capable. Okay, next. Uh, Policy advocacy concept. Sela Espin Vilalus definition advocacy as a right and interacted action by individual and group to put an issue on the policy agenda and encourage policy maker to solve the problem and build a base of support for public policy taken to solve the problem, as well as the definition of policy. Advocacy is the stage of obtaining the support of all relevant parties, but with internal institutions, interdepartmental, public and legislative institution, and the legislator. Policy advocacy is the key gain bureaucratic, social and political legitimacy, so that a profit policy pocket can be implemented in this regard. Policy and analysis has the acts of providing appropriate advocacy strategies into client. Policy analysis can also play an active role in the implementation of the advocacy process. Okay, back to moderator.
All right. Thank you to Novitrieti. The next material is delivered by Siska. To Siska, the time is yours.
Thank you to the moderator. Next, I will tell you about police about objective of police advocacy. Police advocacy has several main objectives related to the change and improve of public policies. Three are some main objectives of policy advocacy. A. Influencing policy makers. Policy can divided into namely 1. Influencing policy makers of or creative new policies that are more equitable, effective, and responsive to the needs of society. 2. Policy implementation. Encouraging the implementation of approved policy in the right way and in accordance with the original objective of the policy. B. Encouraging public awareness and participants. Public awareness. Raising public awareness of important police issues through media campaigns and community outreach. Public participation, inviting the public to active participate in the policy-making process through public forums, consultation, and other participant mechanisms. C. Improving police quality. Evidence-based policies and ensuring that public policies are based on strong data and evidence so that they are more effective and their impact can be measured. Inclusive police, encouraging policymakers to consider the various participants and needs of different groups in city, including I beg moderator. Thank you.
All right. Thank you to Siska. The next material will deliver by Dani. To Dani, the time is yours.
Thank you so much, moderator. Next, police advocacy technique. One, data-driven strategic planning. Strategic planning in police advocacy is increasingly relying on data and web analysis. The use of big data and predictive analysis can help advocate identify priority issue and predict policy impact. Two, digital advocacy and social media. Social media has become an important tool in police advocacy. According to research by Lee and Kim, digital campaign platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok can reach a wider audience and mobile public support with three collaborative coalition and network. Collaboration between stakeholders is increasingly important in police advocacy. Coalition consisting of civil society organizing academia and the private sector can strengthen advocacy influence for an evidence based advocacy efforts. The use of empirical evidence and cutting research is key in police advocacy. Evidence-based advocacy not only the credibility of advocate but also convince policymakers with strong and measured argument via virtual and hybrid lobby. Pandemic has changed the way lobbying is conducive with the as of virtual meeting. According to Patel and Nguyen, virtual and hybrid lobbying, online and offline combination, are becoming more common, allowing advocates to interact with policemakers without geographical restriction. Okay, thank you, moderator.
All right, thank you to Rida Nixon. And the last material will be delivered by Alisa. To Lisa, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Introduction me. I will read the first material about the meaning of policy advocacy process. Policy advocacy is a systematic process of including policymakers to make decisions that support the interests of a particular community or group. This process consists of several internal stages, namely, this one, problem identification. The initial stage is to recognize police issue of problem that requires attention. This process includes in-depth analysis to understand the cause, impact, and who is affected by the problem. This two process analysis. Once the problem has been identified, the next step is to analyze action policy. The process involves assessing the current policy, gaps in implementation, and alternative solutions that can be proposed to address the problem. And three, formulation of objectives and strategies. At this stage, advocacy objectives are clearly formulated, including the design policy change, and for building coalition and network. Police advocacy often requests support from various parties. Building analysis with civil society organization, media, or academic group can strengthen advocacy facilities and profit create legitimacy. And five, core craving key messages. Development clear, cleansing, and data-driven advocacy messages in essential to conference policymakers. These messages are both be tailored to audience, be it policymakers, the public, or the media. And six, advocacy implementation. The advocacy process is conducted talks various channels, such as lobbying with playmakers, organizing public campaign, or collective action. And this seven, evaluation and follow-up. After the advocacy implementation, it is important to evaluate the impact or the effort that have been made. Thank you, moderator. That's all for me. I'll return it to the moderator.
All right, thank you to Alisa, and thank you too for all the participants in here. All right. I'm as a moderator in group one. Will provide a conclusion of the discussion. Discussion. All right. The conclusion is policy advocacy is the stage of obtaining support from all relevant parties within internal institutions, interdepartment, the general public, and the legislature. Policy advocacy is the key to gaining bur- bureaucratic, social, and political legitimacy so that a proposed policy package can be implemented with the several techniques, including data-driven strategic planning, digital advocacy and social media, collaborative coalition and networks, evidence-based advocacy, virtual and hybrid lobbying. All right. Well, maybe that's all we can explain for today. Please apologize if there are any mistake. And I end with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.